Hi guys, today we are going to learn one very good method to solve fractions, and I have given this method's name is basically UU method. So what's that UU method? Getting excited to know? Let's learn about UU method. So what happens if fractions are like this, 2 over 3 and 5 over 3? So in my previous video I said that both the denominator are same. So both the denominators are same. You just write down the same number and then you add 2 and 5. So 2 plus 5 becomes 7. So 7 over 3 is right answer. But what is UU method? Yeah, UU method is really simple. So if fractions are like this, 3 over 5 and 4 over 7. So what you need to do, you just need to multiply u, u, and uu. So 3 times multiplication, 3 times multiplication. Okay, so that is called u. So what happens? 7 times 3 is 21, 5 times 4 is 20, and 5 times 7 is 35. Yeah, so if you add them to 20 plus 21, that is 41. 41 over 35. Yeah, so let's quickly see a couple of more examples now. So let's see example 5, 4 over 2 and 3 over 5. So what you need to do, just multiply u, that is 3 times 5 times 4. So multiply, that is 20, then multiply u, like 2 times 3 is 6, and multiply uu, that is 2 times 5 is 10. So it will be 26 over 10, and you can simplify. Half of 26 is 13 and half of 10 is 5, and you can convert it into mixed fraction as well if you want. Okay, similarly in this question here is minus sign, so multiply u, that is cross multiplication. 8 times 3 is 24, then multiply u, like 2 times 5 is 10, and multiply uu, so that is 2 times 8 is 16. So 24 minus 10, that is 14. 14 over 16, and you can simplify. Half of 14 is 7 and half of 16 is 8. Yeah, now this is mixed fraction, so let's multiply this. So 3 times 1 is 3. Okay, so first you multiply here and then you add. Okay, so 3 times 1 is 3 and plus 1 4, so it is 4 over 3. Now here 4 times 2 is 8 plus 3, that is 11 over 4. Now multiply uu, so this into this, so 4 times 4 is 16, then this into this, that is 3 times 11 is 33 over, and this into this, 3 times 4 is 12. So basically you're multiplying u, and uu. So 16 plus 33 if you add, so it will be 6 plus 3 is 9, and 3 plus 1 is 4, 49 over 12. So is there any timetable 49 and is there any timetable in which 49 and 12 comes? So you can simplify, but there is no timetable in which 49 and 12 is coming, so let's leave it. But if you want, you can change it into mixed fraction. Yeah, now next question is 2 times 3 is 6 and plus 1, so it is 7 over 2. 3 times 1 is 3 and plus 1, so that is 4 over 3. Yeah, so multiply u like this into this, so 3 times 7 is 21, multiply u, like 2 times 4 is 8, and multiply uu, like 2 times 3 is 6. So 21 take away, how much it is? That is 13 over 6. Yeah, so it is 13 over 6, and you can change it into mixed fraction if you want. Yeah, so let's change it. So if you count, 6 times 2 is 12 and 6 times 3 is 18. So 18 is more than 13, so we are not taking this, we are taking this. So 6 times 2 is 12. So you are going to write down here 2 and here is 6, and 6 times 2 is 12, extra 1 is coming here, so that is 2 1 over 6. So these are your answer here. So how did you find my UU method trick? Hope it is interesting. Yeah, let's do some practice questions, and you need to pause the video and have a go. I'm going to show you some practice questions now. So these two are practice questions. Please pause the video and have a go, and then you can check your working against my working. Please start. Welcome back. If you have tried, let's solve this here. So you need to multiply this. 2 times 3 is 6 and plus 1 7. So it is 7 over 2. Now 3 times 4 is 12 and 1 13. So it is 13 over 3. Yeah. So we need to solve that. So how we can do it? Multiply. You need to multiply this into this, that is u, multiply u and multiply u. So multiply 3 times 7 is, that is 21, then multiply 2 times 13, that is 26, and 2 times 3 is 6 here. So 3 times multiplication, so 21 plus 26, that is 6 plus 1 7, 2 and 2 is 47. 47 divided by 6. If you want, you can change it into mixed fraction. So if you see, 6 times 6 is 36 and 6 times 7 is 42. So we are not taking this because 42 is closest to 47, so we are taking 7 times. So a denominator number will remain same, so it will be 6 times 7 is 42. How much you need to add to make it 47? Yes, that is 5. So 6 times 7 is 42 plus 5 47, that is 47 over 6 here. Let's see this one. So 3 times 2 is 6 and plus 1 7, so it is 7 over 3. Now 8 times 1 is 8 plus 1 9, so 9 over 8. So let's multiply u. 8 times 7 is 56, multiply u. 3 times 9 is 27 and multiply this. 3 times 8 is 24. Now 56 take away 27, so it will be 16 take away 7 is 9, it is 4, 4 take away 2 is 2, that is 29 over 24. Yeah, if you want, you can write down this fraction into mixed fraction. So it is going one time and 24 will be in the denominator. 24 times 1 24 and 5, so 1 5 over 24. This is the easy way of solving mixed fractions, and just in 2 lines you can get the answers. Okay, so let's see another question with multiplication sign and division sign here. So let's see another question now. So please pause the video, have a go, and these are the practice questions here. But before that, I will explain you what you are going to do it here. Yeah, then you pause the video and do this practice question here, practice question 1 and practice question 2. So I'm going to explain you here. There is a division sign. So what you need to do, 2 times 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 10, so it is 10 over 2. Okay, division sign, and 5 times 2 is 10 and 1 11. So I have changed mixed fraction into a proper fraction. Now what you need to do, so write down the first fraction as it is, change division sign with multiplication sign, and you need to flip it. Yeah, so it is 11 over 5, you write down 5 over 11. Okay, and after that you multiply top number and bottom number. So 10 times 5 is 50 and 2 times 11 is 22. And you can simplify if you are facing difficulty. So what you can do, half of 50, that is 25, and half of 22, that is 11. And you can leave your answer here, and if you want, you can convert it into mixed fraction. Okay, now what happens if there is a multiplication sign? So 3 times 4 is 12 and 1 13, so 13 over 3, and times sign, 5 times 2 is 10 and 1 11, so it is 11 over 5. So if you clearly see, here is multiplication sign, yeah, and here is also multiplication sign, so you are already halfway here. So what you need to do, just again you multiply top number and bottom number. So if you multiply 13 times 11, so 11 times 3 is 33, carry 3, 11 times 1 is 11, 12, 13, 14, so it is 143. You can multiply your way, 11 times 13, okay. Now, and 3 times 5 is 15, okay. So that should be your answer. Now this is your practice problem. Pause the video and have a go. Welcome back if you have tried. So let's check the answers together. So 2 times 4 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, so 9 over 2, and there's a division sign. 3 times 2 is 6 and 1 7, 7 over 3. So what you need to do, write down first fraction as it is, change division sign with multiplication sign, and you flip it. 7 over 3, you can write down 3 over 7. So multiply top number and bottom number. So 9 times 3 is 27 and 2 times 7 is 14. Yeah, okay. So is there any timetable 27 and 14 comes? I don't think is there any timetable. You can change it into mixed fraction, right? So 14 times 1, it is 14, and how much you it is more than 14. So if you see 27 take away 14 is how much? So it is 13. So it is coming 13 over 14. Yeah. Now next question. It was 4 times 5 is 20 and 121. So 21 over 4. 2 times 3 is 6 and 1 7. So it is 7 over 2. So you're already here. So you just multiply top number and bottom number. So 21 times 7, 7 times 1 is 7, 7 times 2 is 14, 147, and 4 times 2 is 8. Yeah, you can also convert it into mixed fraction. So how we can convert it into mixed fraction? So if you divide 147 by 8, yeah, because it's a big number, so 8 times 1 is 8, and you are left with 6. 14 take away 8 is 6 and 67. Yeah, okay. So 8 times 8 is 64. Yeah, you are left with 3. So what you are going to write down, so one number, okay, bottom number will remain 8, okay, and here it is coming 18 and 3. Yeah, so this 18 comes here and 3. Is that clear? Now, okay, so here we got 18 3 over 8. So this is the way you can solve the questions by applying UU method. If you see my previous example, UU methods are really simple. You just need to multiply 3 times, and make sure when you are multiplying, always multiply this number first. Yeah, multiply this number and this number first, diagonally multiply this number and this number first. I hope you have understood the method. Please apply this method to make your calculation easy, and answer will come in 3 steps now. Okay. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching Genius Making Machine GCSE and A-Level Maths. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel. It really helps us. So thank you and keep watching my video. Goodbye.